Most professionals become experts in their work over time, but very few are ever taught how to train others. Our Train the Trainer workshop, offered as part of a continuing professional development program, helps experienced professionals become confident trainers and workplace coaches. Experts know their work extremely well, but most have never been trained to train. Bridging the gap between doing the work and teaching others to do it requires completely different skill sets. That is exactly what our Train the Trainer workshop addresses. The program helps subject matter experts and experienced professionals become confident trainers and workplace coaches, people who can guide others and develop a real competence in the workplace. In this workshop, you will learn how to design effective training modules and materials, apply the principles of criteria-referenced instruction, structured training for retention and workplace application, deliver engaging sessions with confidence, and support learners through coaching and feedback. The program combines several learning methods, live online sessions with recordings that will be made available, replay access if you cannot attend in real time, practical assignments, and applied learning activities that build real capability. By the end of the program, you will be able to run engaging and effective workshops, train with confidence, coach individuals one-on-one, and build stronger capability across your organization. If you would like to strengthen your ability to develop others, I invite you to enroll in one of our upcoming Train the Trainer workshops. You will accelerate your own development and help grow the capability of your team. The investment is $315 per participant. This includes a bonus of 3 months of access to the facilitator for guidance and support after the course. I look forward to working with you in the program.